The next important tool here is the table tool. So it is found directly beneath the text tool. Can you see, this is the text tool, this is the table tool. So it is used to draw. You can use it to add, draw or select or edit tables. Tables contains row and columns, so it's used for that. So this or draw. So let's go there. Let me take this out, delete it. So once you have clicked the table tool, you can select here. This place is the column, the cells that goes from top to bottom, or the cells that are horizontal, vertical cells are called the columns. Vertical cell from top to bottom, they are what? Column. While horizontal are the cells that start from the left to right or right to left are called the rows. Rows are starting from right to left, while columns start from top to bottom. So let's go there. You can adjust it here before even drawing. So let's assume, let's just draw. So draw, click with your left click and drag diagonally. If you drag diagonally, it will fill. I see. You can decide to no control. And just drag diagonally. So let's assume this is what you want. This is the width. It's okay like this. So you can change it here. Can you see it? It's add. You can reduce it. If you press this, it will reduce. If you press this, it will increase. It will increase. So let's reduce. It's okay. So this one you can reduce it. Can you see it? This is the rows here. Can you see it? You can reduce the rows. You can increase it. So there's something they call the fill. You can insert fill inside all of them. Anyone you want. I choose to make blue. So you can just control. If you hold down the control key, you'll be able to access this cell. Can you see it? You cannot give fill to this. So okay, let me give it fill here. It's not showing. So can we go? You can change here. Edit fill. You can edit it if you wish. But let's go there. Another one is black. Can you see black is showing? I don't know why blue is not showing. So you can, once you click on it, so this outline color, you can increase it. You can change the color of the outline. You can change the color of the outline. Click here. You can change it to RGB. Just type here. Come down. RGB color palette. So you can use, let's say, white or this percent black, 40% black. Can you see it? So this is the width, outline width, the width of the outline. You can increase it to like, let's say 10. Can you see it? But this for the box, all the box, the individual box. If you want to increase it, you have to hold control and increase it manually. This tutorial method to change the color. You understand? Change the color to the visible color or red. So then increase the width like 12. Then I want to do it. So this one it is. These are the basics. So you can just play around. So this outside or inside. So what they mean here is that they mean that the border selection, should it be outside or inside? It's inside. Can it be outside, top and bottom? So you can just adjust. So up. So option, automatically resize cells while typing. So in case you are typing inside, so this is how it is. You can just explore. Can you see it? One demo here is that if you use the test tool, you can use the test tool. They work hand in hand together. So you can just type. Graphic design. This is how it is. Once how we should adjust this automatically, that it should automatically adjust. Can you see? So it works. So once you drag it now, can you see it? So that's how it is. You can just explore more. This is the basic things you need to know about the test, the table tool. You're welcome.